Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. As you can see on the screen, we are going to be transforming these two beds today in this video. Anyway, the beds were of the same design, and I'm going to be cutting off the curved part of these two beds and make a new headboard that I can work with, and I hope you'll enjoy this one. So if you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us, and if you haven't subscribed, that is, you came across this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and join our ever-growing family, that is All Things With Us. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching our videos, liking and commenting on them and sharing. So for this video today, I just wanted to show you that I did make the two beds within a day. This is the challenge that I did. This is the second time that I did challenge myself making two beds, but this is only possible if a client have the two beds in the same house. There is a time that I also did make the two beds. So for this one, I did make the two beds within a day. So this is something possible, that is, if you know what you are doing. So if you want to know how, or to get the steps, or you want to know the materials that I usually use or the steps that I follow, kindly watch the video till the end. Like it, comment and share. Also, you can visit our channel, watch more of our videos, because we have similar videos like this and different processes, designs and steps to be followed. If you watch more of our videos, I'm sure you can try something like this on your own. And finally, the first bed is done. I did manage to finish the first bed at around 12, between 12 and 1 p.m. And now I'm going to be starting with the second bed. And also it's going to be the same process because my client wanted the two beds to be of the same designs. Yeah, so let's start making the second bed, and I hope you have liked the video already. So if you haven't, this is the moment as I'm waving to you at the screen. Kindly like this video, comment on it and share.